We're back. It's Ninja, and this is Tiny Hands.
Tiny Hands. Okay, we have a lot of products that we make in mini form.
Yep.
And today we're going to do a full tutorial using all minis with our tiny hands.
She's so into the hands already. Let's do it. So first we have mini primer. Cute. So this is perfect for travel. Oh, shoot.
Oh. Ugh. Just put a little 1 or 2 pumps in my hands.
This is like so
This feels super creepy.
There's nothing.
This feels so good. I hope these are clean. Okay, feeling good.
Does it look
Good. Yeah, oh, you got a little bit. Let me just help you. Oh, there we go. Gotta get those. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to use our regular size foundation for this, but I promise this is the only thing. Give it a little shakeroo. We also have our little mini precision sponge duos that we're gonna use to apply our foundation today.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna take forever.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this.
Tiny hands.
Tiny hands. So, just got a few pumps on my hand.
This will be a light coverage makeup for me because I don't got time to be playing with these hands.
Wow, you're really good.
I'm like
Killing it.
doing light coverage.
Okay.
Because when you're on the go, you don't really need full coverage, says me.
I don't know, this sponge is, you're right, maybe. I do feel like we're kind of stumbling onto like a concept right now, like these silicone sponges that are easy to just put on your finger and you can just blend your foundation.
Your skin looks good.
Does it?
Don't try this at home, kids. Or if you do, send us some videos so we can laugh at you. Skin is ready.
Skin's ready. Setting powder. Woo! Oh, God. Oh, it's perfect because it's in this cute little super travel friendly container. Because Lord knows, as much as I love my setting powder and I think it's beautiful, this is really hard to carry around.
Yeah.
So we came out in 4 mini versions.
And she can't pick it up.
Yay! Okay.
How the hell am I gonna get this open? Thing open. I got an idea.
Yeah, I don't.
I think we're just gonna cheat and open it with our hands. Please hold.
It's so
Powder
cute.
puff. And
You can see it. I'm just gonna try, and I'm gonna use butter.
I'm using.
Oh, looks good.
I'm using honey. And Nanette, you're getting all over me. Okay.
I think I'm set.
Let me see.
Literally. This powder puff is actually the perfect size though for
This little hand.
yeah, this little hand. Okay, actually, we have these mini brushes, these portable brushes. I think I'm gonna try that. This is the portable touch-up brush because it is technically a mini, so I'm just gonna. Oh, there we go. I think that really helped. What do you think?
Thank you for that recommendation. That's a great idea.
All right, let's just move on.
Next.
I think we're ready. This is a really fun one. Lil Bronze Duo. Woo! What does it come
It's so
with?
cute. It has our bronzer in mini size and then also a shimmer matchstick so you can highlight and bronze on the go.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Nah. Guys, I'm sweating. This is like the hardest thing in the world. And I knew when we were preparing for this, I was like, this is gonna be so hard.
So I love our little bronzer packaging.
It's as small as the hands. And a little mirror inside. I'm using the one with Caramel Cutie.
I'm gonna use the one with Shady Biz because I'm 2'10" and this would be a good one for that.
Okay. All right. Wait, my button. Every time I'm about to do something, I'm like, take a deep breath. You can do this.
You can.
Okay. Imagine doing this drunk.
Oh yeah, doing a little dance. All right, let's gonna put it here. Now move your head side to side. Oh, yep. Think I got it.
Oh my God.
Got you going side to side. Okay, now move your head. Oh, yep. It looks good.
Oh, all right.
Pat myself on the back for that one. So now that we're done with our bronzer, shall we move on to our matchsticks?
Yeah, I'm gonna just take the bronzer real quick though, and so just hit on my eyelids. Give it some depth.
Well, actually, now I want to too. I'm gonna try. Yeah, I think I made a huge difference.
I think so.
Cool.
Okay, so now in that duo, you also get a mini matchsticks in the shade Cinnamon. Oh, look at how my hand is holding it, so cute.
So first, I'm gonna just put it on my cheeks. Ooh. And then I'll use it on the eyes too to just add a little highlight. Killing it. Oh, yep. What do you think?
Let me see. Oh, friend.
I'm gonna use our portable contour and conceal brush just to, you know, maybe blend it out a little bit. There we go.
I'm gonna highlight down the nose too.
Let's see. There we go. There we go.
Highlight brush, bringing it back. Portable one. And we're just gonna use her to blend.
Oh. You're like a fight.
Cinnamon is one of my favorite matchstick shimmer shades, actually.
It's a classic.
It's like a classic, one of the OGs, and it just has a nice, like, cinnamony.
It's like
cinnamony.
Yeah. It's like a nice, pretty bronze color that works for anyone. It's a great eyeshadow. It's a great highlighter. It's kind of like a shimmery bronzer too, for me at least.
It looks good. You blended it really well.
I don't know. These tiny hands, you know, they can do everything.
Can they?
Yeah. There you go. I mean, I'm a little blind once I poked myself in the eye with the brush, but I think I'm good.
I think you're good, girl.
What shall we do next?
Oh, they're not ready for this fly, baby.
What is this fly, baby?
It's the mini version of our fly liner that everyone loves, and a mini version of our eye primer.
Yep. All right, how are you gonna do it?
I'm gonna just put both of my hands together. Clap your hands, everybody. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh.
I'm just gonna watch you because I want to see how this goes first.
Oh, you ain't right. You wanna see me go down?
Ooh.
Okay, she's a little high.
It's looking good. Let me help you.
There you go. Thanks, friend. How'd that go?
Good job. High five. Ooh, triple five. I'm nervous.
Round of applause for Nanette, ladies.
Woo woo. All right.
All right.
Near the finish line, so let's just finish this off with a lip.
Two little Mademoiselle duo comes with nothing if you're Nanette. I'm gonna use Griselda. She's gonna use Spanked. Because she's always getting spanked. She's nasty.
Oh, yes. That's me.
The trick of it is to just move your face and not your hands.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
Okay.
Ooh, this wasn't so bad.
Oh, super smooth. It's just going on. How's it look?
Oh, yours is getting there. I'm feeling pretty good about mine. I just did your trick. Move my head. I was like tracing it like this, like.
Oh, look what I just did.
Oh no. Oh, I think I'm making it worse.
Cool.
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Just get the edges.
Clean my edges like that.
Oh.
Okay.
No.
I like to overline, evidently.
Uh-huh.
Whatever.
And that's it with the Tiny Hands makeup tutorial.
We are so excited for you guys to try all these mini sets. They are perfect for travel. Put them in your bags. Do a little cute face on the go. That's why I like them. Why do you like them?
Well, I love them because they're perfect for tiny hand tutorials. And like Asia said, it's great for travel. Put it in your purse, put it in your locker, do what you gotta do. And pick them up.
Hey, you can really rock with these. Ooh,
Ooh, you looking good.
Girl, ooh.
High five. Oh, okay.
Oh,